Question: how do you stop almost 2 days of rain? And then the few days before that were really miserable. But how do you stop the rain? I will show you. I bought some rain barrels. Oop, there's my wind turbine turning. Not fast enough to give me any power, but still, looks good. Anyways, I bought 2 rain barrels. Now, when you buy rain barrels, the rain stops. So, I bought 2 45-gallon rain barrels to hold the rain that I caught from this half of the garage roof. Now, it should almost fill 2, so I'm getting a 3rd one tomorrow, maybe a 4th one. But I would like an empty one so I could put a hose connector on the bottom and you know, raise it off the ground, because I baled these things into here. Now when I get the hose connector put on one, I'll put it on a few bricks to raise it a bit, then I'll bale the water into that one, and so basically I'll be baling water a bunch of times until I get everything fixed. But still, it's environmental and fun. Anyways, what? You want to see me baling the water? Wow. Okay. Here is my 1 gallon or 4 liter in Canada and Europe, 4 liter baler. And then when it gets down to about 6 or 8 inches, well, 6 inches, I just dump it in by hand. But yeah, right now that works well, and we're expecting more rain tonight, so hopefully I can fill these things again and then finish off filling the 2nd barrel, and the 3rd barrel I'm going to buy tomorrow, and I guess the 4th one will stay empty for my hose connector. But anyways, this is poor or cheap man's rain collection system from an idea I found on the internet and decided to do a bit more with. Oh yes, the bins were $10 each. We bought 6 of them. They can be had a lot cheaper, but I just had to buy them, so I couldn't look for a deal. These things were $35 each, and I probably overpaid, but 35 isn't that much. So yeah, my collection system, $130 for my rain collection system. Well, not counting the cost of my jug of milk. Anyways, that's my rain collection system, and have a good day and happy rain collecting. See you later.